efe light na mo hye mayen ai mo hye the time table ni mayen ko san ko fo ye nchi hwe tese adum light hwe aden na nsade amuni ye dini de enkoye kura o hwe ma school uniform white pa to be obede pa the box iron ato enso se banesa wa she enso se ya san ko fa ye nchi ye be ne den manpower na na di be ye adwuma because nipa ne ba obeka se okra wutele ni no nka no kure so na enye wa ya ma me ko store fo na mo de bo se na ye adwuma ma mo nya mo nwane nko so mo kura asi na pressure fo nko na mo de ti kuma si dum ade na like dundum say mo nsha ma ye num se san ko fa ne di nchi no na de be ye adwuma mo me time stable ni nko e be fa so ni e customers fo be ye adwuma de mo ye ne de mo tete ye aden madu se mo sha se dum so se na maduro
ama akwaba wo frame adwowa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell also for more news ebusuafo any woman ya na no dem a wosu oya de pamini Seamstress adanya o se ne baby owo no send this fo bai omo adum light za ontumi nya adwuma ntina no dem a wosu na ebusuafo yempesa insimhu no wo yasum na yentumi ntua school fees na was school bi say yen feed ye mofra school bi say yen to books school bi say yen yese yempensem hu wo Ghana yempensem hu mo se mo per research na mo akoto ama nipa obetinya research country no mo mana ndc fu nya mo asomdwe no mo fa research o man no omo adum light ndi den omo adum light ndi unya light mpama de ndi yen so wuti ana wo pon ana wo nai ya wo Ghana ha and 2012 13 14 15 16 ya dadum so ma 2013 I quite remember na mo secondary school na fini ba betro wasi ye 2013 funi ye feli bebre no dum so kan wo mi am prep dada just say yumbra de sua no me tia na mefe na me pe me no madam fu Deborah de ye pe Deborah ye pe o ye prep ye pa de sua ndi ye mu se no kra wodum lighter na se plant no ye nya petrol ngum kra na ye da na ye de but aside no ye ba betro wasi ye ni abre na ye sua de akwa examination no light off anapa awia enwumire ahomache anadwo de suo de bia wedum light wo campus I am telling you into 2013 for na ekotro wase na efeli fan no Dumsor 2013 or 14 15 16 me we school nyina me kwa Ashanti region na chese ne kankan mu kura ne kumase wotumi dum light 1 hour what to be so light 1 hour no we do 16 hours and we be dem by 4 days 5 days na we light da me boa me ko Ashanti region 2016 me kwatena mozongo kakra me kwatena buokrom kakra e na me kwatena ye fe ne say tafunsi ayeso 2016 Ashanti region from 2013 na ye ginemu saa o Ghana fo amfom wani anto ene na anu NPP fo so mo ye fe ne say dum sie 1 month po come and see na do ye ni pabone ni ye betu ni wo ma ne dadum so Ghana fo say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama can say ye was short memory apa ya dadum so for good years patupa okoka na ubenya journalist bi mo te sa be ku Santana mo na fia pokua mo ewe experience wo journalism work ni mu no Captain Smart de ka journalism work on count so no so ye nche wa ile on kwa do ye journalist on blog bi on na blog akwa ho on fa so sen to on kwa ye ka journalist on ka ho ti say abeku Santana mo na fia pokua mo aba be ka kira wo say Dumsor started 1990 ahe o mampenda da kufo ne penso into mampenda da kufo ne penso enti o mampenda da kufo ne penso abepe by this time no Ghana fu penifo enti mu hu kan ba fa so mbe solve Dumsor eno mampenda da Mahama ne penso me o mampenda da kufo na 1990 ahe no Dumsor me hu bi because at that time na me so o mampenda da Mahama ne na me experience ni ye to say the end to offend is more free education I'm to abeti NPP situation no mo de kwato aba enti situation bia obi a wo bia no de kwato aba ye dadum so ma ye ka che Ghana for musi monte
omo no mo fa fact ma omo aboa We Jimmy for kwasia o ma me why. Where Jimmy eno kwa o. You see the type of people we deal with. What can some not to ho? Collins, as a sanka NDC near or pese or no bad day, eba bantano, or then or no son of fact day, eba near company debut. Ewe Jimmy, mammy a crassini, and I wear blah when you time and no, I don't know. I'm a communication, I don't know. But you know the sad thing about that aspect of their communication. Okay, just send mammy Jimmy and we got. I'm not need to be coin and I wasn't mammy Jimmy Meko. What we have done to Ghanaians and Ghana in a few months is when we will know. Because, Chairman, how do you tell me, say, you have a government, okay, that did not go for midterm review and ask for what? Supplementary budget. Because Sikebia Modeman say onko diso, apart from Corona, budget ya ye passe ya ansana Corona eba. No, na says a president and a sign coding parliament. Ekoji a new CI, constitutional instrument, in order to order people to what? Wear nose masks. Allow me to spend to buy scrubs. Let me buy Veronica buckets because it wasn't something we planned for. He had not gone for any supplementary budget till date until he left office. It is all person catch me say, hey, MPP for they are not protecting the public purse. Yen ye protecting public purse. Yen ye jine Ghana ho. Meanwhile, each budget ya uma Ghana for taxpayers de ma ubiano. Uko this say no san beje den supplementary. Dia was say Ghana. Hey, Akufado na Ghana yentumi ntodokono yento kobi. Ede NSS kakobu okosoro no. Onkoje supplementary budget. Sika e demand no wedi so. Enti it is still the same yense umidin. One will say up till now. Where share NDC ni bia wetumi aka kire say unsa yo moka cathedral skebi 58 million. Da ube share NDC for Collins. We show we say 58 million no if free Ghana coffers be with free buy. They can't tell you. Do you know why? Because it's not Ghana's money. Yes, we gave a seed money with the land. Just like Rollins did when the Muslims wanted to build their mosques. But as to Ghana for taxpayers' money, Ako Cathedral, I dare any NDC person from Okuja Top Blockwa, John Dramani Mahama, and any stupid NDC follower say they should tell me which account that 58 million came from. They cannot tell you. They can't tell you. They cannot. But unfortunately, we have some lazy leadership in MPP, especially the communication side, who didn't do their work and wouldn't give a chance to people that could do the work and use their portfolios to stumble on everybody. So made this stupid NDC party put into Ghanaian brain and say, Yakofa Ghana is 58 million, they go to Amuna. Ghana is a sad country. Me say me waha. I'm in Ghana. I'm up on my friend Mishraj. Chairman, what you mean? I'm up on frame Supreme Court. I want Mahama, NDC, or be or what NDC.